What's up guys, my name's Chandler. I have this 2019 Aston Martin Vantage, and like really any car, the screen gets so dirty, gets fingerprints on it, gets dust on it, and microfibers work, but then I use like spray and it just, I don't know, leaves streaks, and I've tried the Clorox wipes, which is probably not the best thing for it. So I picked up this Carbon Klean screen cleaner and taken the cap off, and what it is just like this carbon microfiber. I don't really know what it is, but it works so well. I'm gonna show you. Check this out. Literally completely gets everything. You don't have to use any liquid. And I use it on my car, I use it on my wife's Tesla. It's got that massive screen and completely takes all the fingerprints away, so you guys should give it a shot.